Hello all, we have a new security update for Exchange server. You need to follow this link, and when you open the link you will find the versions suitable for your Exchange server. Okay, I will download the Microsoft Exchange Server 2016 CU19. This is a security update. Okay, after you download the update, I will tell you how to install it in the correct way. Okay, after the file is downloaded, we go to the CMD, run as administrator. Okay, we need to target the path of this file where it's downloaded, copy it, cd the path. Now we need to get the name of this file. After we take the name of the file, we press tab, then we can see that .msp appears. Then we can press enter and the setup will start. Okay, and you can open and wait for the setup to finish. And in this way you will have the latest security patch for Microsoft.